And now, of course, it is very time to our partners in the Jesuit.
Kasi very important yung pagpunta ko sa Cebu. Number one, kasi gusto kong ipakita yung pagpasalamat ko sa Kaya Natin and the Ateneo School of Government for putting up such an exhibit. Malaking honor ito sa aming pamilya na 1 year after the death of my husband, parang pinapakilala siya sa tao to show the kind of person that he was and the kind of work that he did or the kind of public servant that he was. Yung second kasing parang sadya ko dito, I made a private visit to the family of Captain Bahinting. Parang for me, it was part of the healing process, not only for me, but I think also for the family.